Hi, it's Phil here. In this video we're going to be looking at configuring the new Pastoral functionality that's just been added to Edge. This is the first phase of this feature and more will be added later in the year. However, for those schools not wishing to use this functionality, you need to go to the Setup menu, then down and across to School Settings, and then 2/3 of the way down this page you'll see a new heading. Pastoral Settings, use PB4L Pastoral. Untick this and then click Save, and buttons such as Add Pastoral will not be visible. For those schools wishing to use this functionality, we need to configure two areas. The first is under Setup and then down and across to configure user responsibilities. And here you need to add the full responsibilities to those staff members that you wish to have this. Teachers by default get the Add Pastoral button to add the first part of a transaction. Click in here, select the staff member you need to have full rights. On the page that appears, scroll down and tick alongside Pastoral Officer. Scroll down further and click Update. You then need to log out and log back in for this right to be applied to the person. Once you have done that, the Pastoral menu will appear with the items underneath it. And this is the second area we need to go to set up Pastoral within your school. Mouse over Pastoral and then go down to Configuration. And here we have two parts to this page: configuring list items and then what to do about incident completion. Let's look at configured lists. In here there are a number of headings, some of which need entries adding to them. Click on Location. On this page you can add entries relevant to your school, location of where incidents occurred. Click into a field, type the entry you require and then click Add Another and keep adding entries. Once you have the ones you need, you can click Save. These can also be added to at a later date or edited as you go on. Other entries such as motivation are predefined by the PB4L specification. They're just here for you to have a look at. Similarly with others involved, this is predefined. Problem type, however, is another entry that needs to have items added to it in a similar manner to location. Click into a field, add the entry you require that is specific to your school, and then click Add Another and eventually save it. Regarding incident completion, there are two choices. The default is incident is considered completed when all PB4L fields are entered. This effectively means an entry needs to be added to all of these fields when an incident is being put through. If you choose the second option, incident is considered completed when a consequence has been assigned. That means the motivation and others involved severity do not have to have entries added to the incident. Once you've made your choice, click Save, and then Pastoral is ready for incidents to be added. We'll look at that in the second video.